Welcome back to One Hot Bite and our 12 holiday cookies. We are on day 4. So this is a different kind of cookie. This is a biscotti. We're going to do a double chocolate biscotti. Those of you that have never made that before, it is double baked. So they're crispy, but so full of flavor. I had a little vanilla in this one that really brings out the double chocolate flavor in this one. So anyhow, thank you guys so much for being here, putting up with our cookies every single day, but I'm trying to give you variety before the holidays. So if you haven't already done so, please subscribe down below, smash that like button, and let's get baking. There aren't very many ingredients to this biscotti. It's actually really delicious. We're going to add a little bit of flour, some sugar, some unsweetened cocoa powder, some semi-sweet chocolate chips, a little baking powder, baking soda, and salt. All the usual suspects are happening here. As soon as we have everything there, we're going to grab a whisk and just lightly incorporate that all together and set it aside. Now we're going to do our wet ingredients. We're going to add a little vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, and then we're going to do 1 large egg white. And we're just going to whisk this together. You don't even need a mixer for this part. Just give it a nice good mix. Make sure all of the egg is incorporated into this. And then we are going to add our dry ingredients. These come together so quickly. As soon as we have that in, you can use your whisk for a little bit, but the batter does get pretty thick in this one. So I grabbed my mixer, just mixed it on low speed just to get all incorporated. You can see here how the dough is sticky and really chocolatey and yummy. Lightly flour a surface and you're going to dump this out. Get it all out of your bowl, and we just need to knead this for 1 minute. Just get everything incorporated, and as you knead it, you're going to find the dough is this really soft, yummy dough. You're going to roll it into a 12-inch long log. It comes together really quickly. This dough is very easy to work with. Grab a baking sheet, put a little cooking spray on it, move that log onto your baking sheet, and now you're going to press it. You're just going to lightly press it down into about a 1/2 inch thickness. It'll puff up a tiny bit while it cooks, not a whole bunch. So get it all patted down. You have your oven preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to stick that in the oven for 22 minutes. You're going to let this rest after it comes out of the oven for about 10 minutes. You can see how it's this wonderful little pizza crust looking. And you're going to diagonally cut about 1 inch apart your cookies. As soon as you have these out, you're going to replace them back onto the baking sheet like you did before. These, I honestly wanted to eat these right here. I thought they were perfect at this stage. But now you're going to put them on a baking sheet side up. So you're now going to bake the sides. You're going to give this another baking for about 15 minutes and pull them out, and they are absolutely perfect. Okay, these turned out better than I thought they were going to turn out. They are absolutely perfect in my opinion. So they are, I'm going to show you, they're a little soft inside, they're crunchy on the outside. They're so good. If you are an edge brownie person, this is your cookie. These are so good. The double baking takes a little bit of time, but prep and all that is really super simple. Very good for a beginner baker. I thought these were going to be more difficult than they were, and I absolutely love them. So give these a try. Again, all the information that you need is down below. I love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow. We have another cookie coming.